One of the most frequent questions we get at Mobile Centrics regarding our rework stations is, which one should I buy? I'm going to be pitting 4 stations against each other in a head-to-head race to accomplish a common task, but first let me give you the basics of each one so you can determine which is best for you. This is the digital 2-in-1 heat gun and soldering station by Quick, model 715, and is valued around $150. It can range up to 500 degrees Celsius. Aside from the buttons, you also have a dial that will allow you to adjust the temperature. It can also sense when you've picked up the heat gun, and it'll automatically start to cool down as you put it back. It comes with 4 separate tip sizes and a soldering iron for basic solder repairs. This is our Quick model 881D. I've enjoyed using this over the years. This is our most expensive model at just over $500. It's really high quality, and I really enjoy the temperature settings because of the value range. Up to 500 degrees Celsius, but I like being able to have a larger number so that I can have a range of values all the way up to 200 for the airflow. This also has 3 channels, which is nice for presets. Comes with 3 different size nozzles and a really nice stand. This is Quick model TR1300A for just under $500. This is the rework station that I currently use for all repairs. I really enjoy the functions of the channels, being able to change the temperature, and having the airflow preset in each one of the channels. I do wish that it had a larger range for the airflow, but one of the cool functions of this is the quick release for the tips. It has this slot where you can insert the tips, put them on, pull them off, switch them over with ease. And this is Quick model 861DW. This is my all-time favorite. You also can't beat the price at a nice $350. It also has the 3 channels and a temperature control of up to 500 degrees Celsius like the others, and up to 120 for the airflow, so you have to get used to what those numbers mean to you. 3 nozzles like the other, and a really nice stand to go with it. All 4 models work really well. For our test here, I'm going to be removing the CPU shields on these iPhone motherboards. Let's go. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You can find these products at mobilecentrics.com.